My name's David Markley. I'm President and CEO of Design Engineering in Cleveland, Ohio. And we do high-performance heat and sound control. Our mission is to control heat and sound wherever it may present itself. It started in the performance world because that's where our roots were. However, it seems to take us in many different directions. After a career in high performance with Mr. Gasket, my father had a brief stint as a rep. I wasn't enamored with that and wanted to do something on his own and found this niche in controlling heat. And I think there was a market for it. It started off very, very small. Our first catalog was 16 part numbers. I think right now we're over 600. Usually where there's heat, there's problems. In an everyday driving car, the minute you start messing with it and start adding some performance to it, you ruin the balance that was designed into the car. So whether it's adding an exhaust or changing the direction of the exhaust or rerouting wires closer to a heat source, things start to get out of balance. So we take those problems and we find solutions for them. If we're sourcing anything from staples to a piece of equipment, we start with the radius of our building. We move out from there. We buy very, very, very little offshore. It's important for me to keep the jobs here. I never see a day when we're looking at Vietnam, China, India for a manufacturing facility because I believe we can do it here and we can do it better right here and help America because it is the greatest country in the world. You know, the excitement of PRI and what they've brought to the table, enabling us to get in front of our customers in one spot and create that excitement around the industry. When everybody's in the garage, typically during the winter, and working out what's going to roll out in the spring, you know, it's just a lot of excitement. And it helps us come up with new ideas and speak to the customers and the racers especially to get ideas for new products, which is all important in our industry. There's a lot of great people in our industry. We have integrity in our industry. And I can say that with a pretty broad brush over 25 years. You don't run across a lot of devious people in our industry. So there's a lot of people that are willing to help, especially young kids. So don't hesitate to ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask for help because people in this industry are good people and they will help. I am David Markley and I am PRI.